Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the FACOM 12P socket set, your ultimate companion in aviation, automotive, and shipbuilding. With the high-performance sealed 3/8 ratchet, you experience precision and control like never before. This set features 11 robust 3/8 drive-inch 12-point sockets from J1 4-inch to 7 radii, giving you the versatility to tackle any task with confidence. Plus, with 2 extensions and a universal joint, no hard-to-reach area is off-limits. And let's not forget the organizational perks. The FACOM J.161 comes with pictograms for easy identification, an empty case, and a thermoformed tray, keeping your tools safe and organized. Elevate your work with the FACOM 12-piece socket set today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.